Welcome everybody. Today we're going to talk about dressing up your summer sausage. Don't get me wrong, I can eat a whole plate of summer sausage to myself, and I'm sure you can too. But this is just a little way to kind of add a little flair to your summer sausage if you're going to a gathering or a party. So let's go ahead and jump right in. This is a really simple recipe. It's basically an appetizer and it's great for any potluck situation.
Slice it all the way through. Just slice it down about 3/4, maybe a little bit more, so the bottom of it still sticks together. After that, we're gonna go ahead and get our glaze ready. It's just the Sweet Baby Ray's mixed with the habanero pepper jelly. It's gonna give it a nice sweet yet fiery flavor to it. We're gonna go ahead and peel off the casing of the sausage, but be careful not to break the bottoms that we left uncut. This is what's gonna hold our glaze in place. Then we're gonna go ahead and take our brush. We're gonna paint each section, paint the top, get a nice coating of our glaze all over, inside and out of our sausage. Once we got our sausage all nice and coated, we are ready to go ahead and pop it in the oven. We're gonna be at 350 for 20 minutes, just to kind of melt and bake that glaze right on top of it. Now to have this party ready, we're gonna go from oven to plate. We usually serve this with a variety pack of crackers. Goes great with a nice strong cheddar cheese. We've also made some homemade bread and butter to just really finish this off for our party.
Certainly one of the best ways you can share the outdoors with others is by sharing a great meal with them. We'd love to hear back from you if you do try this recipe. We're also gonna throw a link up to our other recipe, or here, or wherever they put them at these days. We'll throw a link up there for you, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.